Go.
क्या आप जाना चाहते हैं?
Do you wanna go?
आप
What's your intention?
लाउडली
What's your intention?
आप क्यों पूछते हैं?
Why do you ask?
अगेन
Why do you ask?
मुझे गल है।
Are you mad?
क्या आप पागल हैं?
Are you mad?
आप कहाँ हैं?
Where are you?
मैं इंतजार। सो वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग अंजलि।
Good morning, sir.
हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine.
ओके, सो आर यू रेडी फॉर प्रैक्टिस?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो शैल वी स्टार्ट?
By all means.
मैं इंग्लिश बोलना चाहती हूँ।
I wanna speak English.
यूज योर बॉडी
I
लैंग्वेज।
wanna speak English.
क्या आप इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं?
Do you wanna speak English?
आप इंग्लिश क्यों बोलना चाहते हैं?
Why do you wanna speak English?
अगेन
Why do you wanna speak English?
अगेन
Why do you wanna speak English?
मैं प्राइवेट जॉब करना चाहती हूँ।
I wanna do private job.
अगेन
I wanna do private job.
इसलिए
That's why
ये मेरी मजबूरी है।
it's my compulsion.
इट्स माई कंपल्शन।
It's my compulsion.
लाउडली
It's my compulsion.
आपकी मजबूरी क्या है?
What's your compulsion?
आप चाहते क्या हैं?
What do you want?
What do you want?
What do you want?
मैं जाना चाहती हूँ।
I wanna go.
क्या आप जाना चाहते हैं?
Do you wanna go?
आप कहाँ जाना चाहते
Where
हैं?
are you wanna go?
Where do you wanna go?
Where do you wanna go?
लाउडली
Where do you wanna go?
लाउडली
Where do you wanna go?
आपका इरादा क्या है?
What's your intention?
लाउडली
What's your intention?
आप क्यों पूछते हैं?
Why do you ask?
अगेन
Why do you ask?
मुझे जाने दीजिए।
Let me go.
मैं रास्ते में हूँ।
I am on the way.
क्या आप रास्ते में हैं?
Are you on the way?
आप इंतजार क्यों कर रहे हैं?
Why are you waiting?
आप कब से इंतजार कर रहे हैं?
When we are waiting?
हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन वेटिंग?
How long have you been waiting?
लाउडली
How long have you been waiting?
लाउडली
How long have you been waiting?
मेरे पिताजी आने वाले हैं।
My father is about to come.
लाउडली
My father is about to come.
इसलिए
That's why
मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया।
I have decided.
क्या आपने डिसाइड कर लिया?
Have you decided?
आपने क्या डिसाइड कर लिया?
What have you decided?
लाउडली
What have you decided?
लाउडली
What have you decided?
लेकिन
But
मैं इंग्लिश नहीं बोलती।
I don't speak English.
मेरा दोस्त इंग्लिश बोलता है।
My friend doesn't. My friend does speak English.
माई फ्रेंड
Friend
स्पीक्स
speak
इंग्लिश।
My friend speaks English.
लाउडली
My friend speaks English.
इसलिए
That's why
एक दिन
one day
मैं इंग्लिश बोलूंगी।
I will speak English.
लेकिन
But
मुझे बोलने दीजिए।
let me speak.
मुझे जाने दीजिए।
Let me go.
आप मुझे बोलने नहीं देते।
You don't let me speak.
लाउडली
You don't let me speak.
आप मुझे क्यों नहीं बोलने देते?
Why don't you let me speak?
लाउडली
Why don't you let me speak?
क्या आप पागल हैं?
Are you mad?
क्या आप पागल हैं?
Are you mad?
आप कहाँ हैं?
Where are you?
मैं इंतजार कर रहा हूँ।
I'm waiting.
क्या आप इंतजार कर रहे
Are
हैं?
you waiting?
आप इंतजार क्यों कर रहे
Why
हैं?
are you waiting?
आप क्यों गाली देते हैं?
Why are you abuse?
Why do you abuse?
Why do you abuse?
लाउडली
Why do you abuse?
आपने मुझे कॉल क्यों नहीं की?
Why don't you call me?
Why didn't you call me?
Why didn't you call me?
लाउडली
Why didn't you call me?
मैं बिजी था।
I am busy.
I was busy.
I was busy.
लाउडली
I was busy.
इसलिए
That's why
मैं भूल गया।
I forgot.
लेकिन
But
जब तक मैंने आपको कॉल की आप जा चुके थे।
by the time I called you, but you had gone.
By the time I called you,
By the time I called you,
you had gone.
you had gone.
इसलिए
That's why.
मुझे माफ कर दीजिए। Forgive me.
Forgive me.
लाउडली
Forgive me.
लाउडली
Forgive me.
अगेन
Forgive me.
मैं इंग्लिश बोला करती थी।
I used to speak English.
लाउडली
I used to speak English.
क्या आप इंग्लिश बोला करते थे?
Do you speak?
Did you?
Did you speak English?
Did you used to
speak English?
बोलिए।
Did you used to speak English?
लेकिन
But
हिंदी बोलने के दिन चले गए।
those are the days speaking Hindi.
Gone are the days of speaking Hindi.
Gone are the days speaking Hindi.
Gone are the days of
Gone are the days of speaking Hindi.
again.
Gone are the days of speaking Hindi.
इसलिए
That's why
रमेश इंग्लिश बोलता है।
Ramesh speaks English.
क्या रमेश इंग्लिश बोलता है?
Does Ramesh speaks English?
Does रमेश speak English?
Does Ramesh speak English?
Again.
Does Ramesh speak English?
लेकिन
But
आपने मुझे बताया था।
you
You told me. loudly,
You told me.
loudly.
You told me.
रमेश स्मोक नहीं करता,
Ramesh doesn't smoke.
लेकिन
But
मैंने उसे स्मोक करते हुए देखा.
I saw you smoking.
I saw him smoking.
I saw him smoking.
Loudly.
I saw him smoking.
लेकिन
But
रमेश कहाँ है?
where are you, Ramesh?
Where is Ramesh?
Where is Ramesh?
Loudly.
Where is Ramesh?
Loudly.
Where is Ramesh?
रमेश घर पर है.
Ramesh
At
at
home.
home. Ramesh at home.
Loudly.
Ramesh at home.
Loudly.
Ramesh at home.
Again.
Ramesh at home.
क्या तूने मुझे स्मोक करते हुए देखा?
Did you see me smoke?
स्मोकिंग.
Did you see me smoking?
बोलिए.
Did you see me smoking?
मैंने आपको स्मोक करते हुए देखा.
I saw you smoking.
आपने मुझे स्मोक करते हुए कहाँ देखा?
Where did you smoking?
Where did you see
saw
me smoking?
Where did you see me smoking?
Again.
Where did you see me smoking?
मैंने तुझे दुर्गापुरी चौक पर स्मोक करते
I
हुए
saw you at Durgapuri.
I saw you smoking
I saw you smoking
at दुर्गापुरी चौक.
at Durgapuri Chowk.
इसलिए
That's why.
तो आप झूठ क्यों बोलते हैं? Why do you
tell a lie?
Again.
Why do you tell a lie?
Loudly.
Why do you tell a lie?
क्या आप स्मोक नहीं करते?
Don't you smoke?
बोलिए.
Don't you smoke?
बोलिए.
Don't you smoke?
मैं स्मोक करता हूँ,
I smoke.
लेकिन
But
मैं एक बार करता हूँ दिन में. I smoke
I smoke
once in a day. बोलिए.
I smoke once in a day.
Loudly.
I smoke once in a day.
Loudly.
I smoke once in a day.
लेकिन
But
आप दिन में कितनी बार स्मोक करते हैं?
you
How often?
How often does your
Do you smoke in a day?
How often do you smoke in a day?
Loudly.
How often do you smoke in a day?
Again.
How often do you smoke in a day?
मैं दिन में 2 बार स्मोक करता हूँ.
I smoke twice in a day.
Loudly.
I smoke twice in a day.
Very good. Do more practice. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Work on your pronunciation. That you can find that you're making some mistakes. Okay, because this is the first round. So this is all about. Okay. So next time we will take another person. That be ready, and it will help you a lot to interact and improve the confidence level. Any doubt?